Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mami Kalsum. I'm from PBA Class B. And here is the assignment 7 about language acquisition part 1. The first question is, to the best of your knowledge, what do you know of language acquisition? Okay, language acquisition in psycholinguistics is the process of learning language skills like speaking, listening, reading, and writing. This happens through learning or interacting with language. So Draget explains that language acquisition involves gaining knowledge about sounds, phonetic and phonology, word forms, morphology, sentence structures like a syntax, and meanings in semantic. This knowledge is stored in the minds and helps people use language, such as speaking and writing to express ideas or listening, and reading to understand others. And the second question is, what do you know of language development? So language development, as explained by Fernald A. and Marchman V.A. 2006, refers to how adults improve their language skills. It is different from language acquisition, which focuses on how children learn language. However, both are connected. Language development is a cognitive process where linguistic elements like sounds, word forms, sentence structures, and meanings are stored in the mind as we learn a language. And the third question is, do they refer to the same things or different? Explain the answer and position with reasons. So language acquisition and language development are different but related. Language acquisition refers to how children learn language for the first time, while language development refers to how adults improve and expand their skills. Despite the difference, both involve mental processes, where linguistic knowledge, like the sounds and meanings, is stored and used for communication. And the last question is, do you agree with saying that language acquisition and language development are psycholinguistics phenomena? Explain your position with reasons. Exactly, I agree that language acquisition and language development are psycholinguistic phenomena. Both involve mental processes related to learning and using language, which are central to psycholinguistics. Language acquisition focuses on how children learn language skills, while language development involves how adults improve their language abilities. Both processes rely on the brain's ability to store and use linguistic knowledge, such as sounds, words, and meanings, which are studied in psycholinguistics. So that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.